It dries down so mad. It has fragrance. मेरे मेकअप को मत जज करना. My eyes are hurting like hell. 249 रुपीज में 6 ml मिल रहा है तो बहुत अमेजिंग है. No, difficult to move this concealer. Not good for sensitive skin. Who's gonna tell what are the pros and cons of such heavy product? Best concealer of this video. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha Devgan. I come here often to talk about makeup, reviews that I share with you after having 10 years of experience as a bridal makeup artist. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about these 10 plus concealers and correctors that are trending on social media, but are they really worth it? We are going to check that in this video. I'm going to be rating all of these concealers not only basis of value for money, because I believe that all concealers works differently on different skin types in different weather conditions and when it goes in different hands as well. You are using one concealer and I am using the same concealer. It can still look different on same skin type as well, because concealer performs differently when you hydrate differently, how you apply them, the quantity of them, how you layer them. So I don't believe in value for money. I believe what the company is claiming. Is it true or not? This is not that kind of video that I'm only gonna say 249 rupees में 6 ml मिल रहा है तो बहुत amazing है. No, you will have to understand how this product is gonna perform and should you be buying it or not. What are the things that company is not telling you but Neha will. So we are going to apply all of these concealers in natural light and in studio light as well, with color corrector and without color corrector. The purpose of this video is to share the information with you and not just to sell the products to you. So without a further delay, let's see if these concealers are social media hit and real life fail, or is it different? Let's get started now. हाँ, बट सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, क्योंकि बिना सब्सक्राइब किए तो मैं वीडियो आपको देखने से तो नहीं रोक सकती, बट प्लीज बोल सकती हूँ, कर लेना सब्सक्राइब जरा. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Now let's talk about the Simply Nam color corrector first. I think it is a beautiful product curated by Indian bridal makeup artist who knows Indian skin. It is amazing for layering under your full coverage concealers, sheer coverage concealers. It does not give acne to the skin. However, it doesn't claims that, but I have not found the consistency to be such that it is going to give you acne. If you have oily skin, I would prefer using a matte concealer on top of it and you're good to go. If you are dry skin, I think it is very creamy, but prepping and priming in winters, in colder areas and on dry skin is much needed. I think this is amazing for everyday use. If you're a person who goes to college, office, I think you use a sheer coverage concealer with it and you are good to go. When I talk about the down point of this color corrector, I feel it is not available for the deepest shades in India, which color correctors goes into reds. It is not available in that shade. I think it is available till like NC42 sort of shades, but not deeper than that. The consistency is amazing. The product is amazing. And the price point is also amazing as per the high-end correctors available in the market, which actually does the same job. And if you talk about the purpose and the price, I think it is a value for money product because it is serving its purpose. So going on to the next one now. Now let's talk about one of the most trending concealer on social media, and that is Mars Cancel Concealer. Now this is a medium to full buildable coverage concealer and it dries down to matte finish. You will have to prep your under eyes if you want this concealer, because this is a matte concealer. It's an affordable concealer, but when you try to build it to the full coverage, it actually feels little heavy. Now what I feel is it looks beautiful on the camera and over here in the mirror, medium to full coverage sort of formula. So in one swipe it will give you medium coverage, and when you will try to do the full coverage sort of thing, it will give you full coverage, but then it will start to feel little heavy on the under eyes. Now it is a matte concealer. When you apply a lot of matte concealer on the under eyes, it tends to settle in the fine lines and your under eyes need a lot of prepping and priming to carry a matte concealer, and that too 2 to 3 layers of it. Over here, now how I told you Simply Nam corrector is so beautiful. It gave me little hydration, little creaminess, and that's why it is not looking that heavy over here. But over here, when in terms of, I'm wearing it, I feel heavy on this side. So the texture is creamy and mineral oil based, which can clog pores. So this concealer, if I consider, is for oily skin, then oily skin also has oil and open pores as well. So this is not again for oily skin. Then who it is for? I think it is for occasional use. If you really want to buy a concealer that gives you coverage, you can use it in parties, but not for everyday use. If you hydrate your under eyes properly in the winters, it's still gonna work. And if you apply a creamy concealer or color corrector beneath and then apply this, the chances are there is a layer beneath, so it will not that much clog your pores. You can invest in it only when you are wearing it once in a month and with the precaution that it can clog pores. Concealer का कैसा है ना, concealer we don't only apply on the under eye area. Under eye पे acne नहीं भी आएगा, but we still apply it around the mouth, on the pigmentation areas over here and on our acne marks as well. So you can't really save yourself from not getting acne. So make sure you are doing double cleansing. Otherwise, there are other substitutes available in the market. Good product, value for purpose product, but not for all skin types. It has fragrance and fragrance is not good for sensitive skin. I think only normal skin types can carry it. Shade range of the Mars concealer, they have 11 shades, which has one orange shade as well. As per the other concealers that I'm gonna talk about in this video, this is a decent shade range. There is not the most deepest shade that we always look for. I mean, where are the people with NC44 and 42 are gonna go if you are not going to launch all those deepest shades as well? They always have to go ahead with the darker color correctors, and then these concealers only work like their own skin tone, and sometimes they don't work like that as well, which I feel is not a good thing. Now let's move ahead with NYX Bare With Me Serum Concealer. It is very serum-like consistency, which is amazing for everyday use. It is water-based and contains soothing extracts as well. Now, I believe it can be used in winter and summer season as well, but you need little bit of prepping and priming in winter season because it dries down to a matte finish. Amazing for natural makeup lovers like me. Now, what is natural makeup? Natural makeup की definition ना हर किसी के लिए अलग अलग होती है. For example, मुझे लगेगा कि मेरी स्किन टोन से मैचिंग जो मेकअप है वो एकदम नेचुरल है. और फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज समबडी हु लाइक्स good highlighting, something like a good blush and good lip color is sort of a natural makeup for them. So the definition of natural makeup cannot be defined, but over here on my channel, natural makeup is when your makeup matches your skin tone or is only one shade lighter. Also, it doesn't mean that it is looking very geeky. It has to look like skin only, just a little different than skin, but not too many layers of makeup. That is the definition of natural makeup as per Neha Devgan. Okay, so now let's talk about the NYX concealer. Here I have tried to build it up. I have taken just one pump. Now the con of NYX Bare With Me Serum Concealer is it has a pump. Good thing for foundations, but when you have a pump in concealer, when you take it out, it just comes a lot. This is not that much concealer that you need on your under eyes. So sometimes in order to finish this much concealer, you tend to apply a lot more concealer than what is needed on the under eyes. Now here you can obviously see it's a lot, but here it's very little because I have taken it from the back of my hand and a lot of product was left on the hand only. Now that's one thing, but this is not my shade match, so let's not go into the shade match thing. We are talking about the consistency of the concealer. This is a beautiful stretchable concealer which spreads easily, settles down like a matte sort of finish, but when you have done proper prepping and priming, it just feels like semi-matte only. Love this concealer for everyday use. This is amazing for self makeup. This has a serum like consistency, sheer to medium coverage. It can be used on dry and sensitive skin as well. It's gonna go a long way because it has a serum like consistency. It is little difficult to choose shades in this. In India, it is only only available in 8 shades. The shade that I've used is beige, and I have a sand shade in it as well. So I ordered a beige shade so that I can pair that one with this one and can make my skin tone concealer. But otherwise, as per the performance, I think it is a beautiful concealer for your everyday usage, and people who likes natural makeup, it is amazing for them for party makeups as well. Now, what to do if somebody has a scar or maybe some other situation on the face which needs to be tackled with a thicker concealer? Then that won't be called as a natural makeup. That will be called as a natural makeup, but that's a special condition. So for that we have different concealers. I have no intention of hurting anyone's feelings, so don't worry, that sort of concealer is also gonna pop later in the video. Okay, as of now, this was all about NYX concealer. Let's talk about K by Katrina HD Hydrating Concealer. This is a medium coverage concealer. The company says it's serum-like consistency, but I feel it is little more creamy than a serum-like consistency. Semi-dewy sort of finish actually, and the base is water and oil. Now, this contains nourishing oils, which is amazing for mature skin and dry skin. Now, when a concealer is of this consistency, creamy, this tends to settle in fine lines on mature skin as well. So you have to share it out, you have to blend it out to the extent that it becomes sheer and just covers very little area of your pigmentation, but looks very natural. A moisturizer mixed with your foundation. It is that sort of feeling on the under eyes. It actually feels heavy when you try to build this one. Now this one is gonna go matte and will settle down over here only. This is not a concealer for oily skin. I feel I can give to my mom because she has mature skin. I can ask her to just take it on the back of the hand and just apply it little by little and powder it, and she will be good to go. If you have problems with the product settling down into the fine lines, you can't do layers and layers of this concealer. So how the company is claiming it to be like serum-like consistency, it is definitely not a serum-like consistency. This is thicker than that. You can use it for your everyday use, for your office wear use, for just a little bit concealer girl. If you are just a little bit concealer here, just here, and you're good to go with powders, then you can always buy it, but it won't settle on its own. You will need powder to settle it down. That's how you can use it. If you are keeping your high glam party makeups aspirations on it, then it's not gonna work, and it's not gonna hide your pigmentation as well. So you will need a color correcting concealer beneath this, and then go ahead with this one. So does it solve the purpose? I think for that and what the company claims are, I'm gonna give it 3.5 out of 5. That's it. Now let's talk about the Swiss Beauty Perfect Liquid Concealer. The company claims it's a medium to full coverage concealer, whereas I feel it's a sheer to medium coverage concealer. It's a thin consistency concealer which dries down to a matte finish. It just feels very dry on the under eyes, and the pigmentation peeks out from this concealer. Here you can see I have applied it 2 times on my under eyes. This is with corrector, this is without corrector. This spreads beautifully, has the sort of coverage like medium, and if you want more coverage out of it, you can build it. This concealer is for humid weathers, for oily skin. It has oils but very minimal oils. It comes in 6 ml. It does contain silicons and emollients, which makes it spread easily and makes it look like skin like only. Over here I feel that it has dried down to almost matte finish. Applied it 2 times. This is not my shade, this is one shade lighter. I think this is a very good product if you just want to apply it for a 30-minute Zoom call, or if you want to go down. Prepping game has to be strong. If you have normal, dry, or combination skin, if you have oily skin, this is a good concealer for occasional use or for little bit of basic use. I think this can be a perfect budget friendly option. This is not a full coverage concealer. You will have to build it up. When you keep on building it up, the dryness will keep on going up. So use a color corrector beneath and then use it very little, not for your party uses, just for your basic everyday uses. Now this one can settle down into your fine lines, if you have a lot of fine lines or if you have a lot of dryness. Otherwise the consistency is very thin, so I feel it has little bit of advantage because of the consistency, and for oily skin people it's going to perform better. And that's what I feel about Swiss Beauty Perfect Liquid Concealer. Now I can always make a video on how to set and prep your under eyes before you do everyday makeup or full glam makeup. If you want that video, comment below. Now let's talk about She Glam Like Magic Concealer. This one is high to full coverage concealer because of the dense pigment in it. It's creamy, spreads evenly. It's a soft matte concealer which is silicone based and is alcohol free as well. This has no parabens. It's a vegan formula and generally acne safe as well. I have only 2 shades in this and both of them are very light because I thought I'll use some other concealer beneath and will use these for liquid highlighting. So that's why I have these. Spreads easily. It is actually a medium to full coverage concealer. I can obviously see it performed well with color corrector over here, but without color corrector I can see that it is going gray, obviously because that is not my shade as well, but with color corrector it did perform well. Now this one oxidizes within 10 minutes of application. That's what I've seen with this concealer. Comes in 9 shades in India. I think it is a full glam concealer for people who are looking for party wear concealer, people who are looking for full coverage concealer. It is amazing if you want to apply it as a highlighting concealer, and that's what I do with it. Otherwise, She Glam concealer I feel is more hydrating than Mars Cancel concealer because it doesn't dries down to a super matte finish. This is like a soft matte finish, like how you can see if I'm still touching it, it is moving. Will it settle into the fine lines? Absolutely yes, only in the scenarios when I'll try to apply layers and layers of it, and if I don't do the prepping and priming that strongly, in terms of if I keep very moisturizing product beneath, and if it will slip, it will settle. If it will be too dry beneath, it will definitely settle. So this one needs a little bit more experienced hand to handle. Otherwise, I think at this price range and the kind of coverage this is offering, I think it deserves 3.5 stars easily. Now we are going to be talking about Forever 52 concealers, which are also trending on social media right now. So I have all 3 of their concealers and I have a lot to say about them. Ab in concealers ke bare mein, I'm gonna show you a contrast between these concealers. This is the complete coverage concealer and this is not in my shade. The company claims it to be of excellent quality and it performs in humid weathers and it's a full coverage concealer, right? That's what the company claims, but my claims are different than what the company is claiming. This spreads easily, sets very nicely, but then as soon as it dries down so matte that it is so difficult to move this concealer. I think there is a better choice than this one in the company, and this is Forever 52 Daily Life Concealer. Now this is a little lighter shade than this one and I feel this is almost like my skin shade. This is a sensational concealer. Now the spreadability, the easiness that this concealer provides me, it was not here. That's why I prefer this concealer over the complete coverage concealer. Now you can see I have not done any color correction over here, so my pigmentation over here will peek through, but how easily it spreads out. But this one, I think this won't move anywhere. Now this is not gonna go anywhere. This one also dries down to semi matte finish, but it is more workable. If I have to compare, I can easily say if this dries down to 90% matte, this dries down to 60% matte only, and it looks beautiful as well. I think this can be your daily wear concealer. That's why this is a daily life concealer. Now as per the ingredients, I think this is only for oily skin people, and that too we have a lot of substitutes available. So this Forever 52 complete coverage concealer is totally skippable, and I don't recommend this concealer. But this one is beautiful and can be used for your everyday and light party makeups as well. I really like this one. Comes next is the Forever 52 Tender Cream. Company has not named it as concealer. This is a cream. And what is a cream? Have you heard about Kryolan Derma and Supra? Now Derma dries down to a matte finish. Supra is more oil based, wax based, sort of a cream which company never calls as foundation and never calls as concealer as well, because these are very thicker consistencies and they are easy to work with in terms of their stretchability, but these are not good for your everyday use. This is the concealer जिसके बारे में मैं बात कर रही थी कि अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसी स्किन है जिसको बहुत कवरेज की जरूरत है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज अ विटिलिगो, और यू वांट टू कवर अ टैटू, or there is some other sort of birthmark that you want to cover, then we look for these sort of high coverage creams which covers everything. Now it is easy to apply, you just blend it with your fingers, and it is not good for oily skin. So when we work on oily skin or when we work on dry skin, we need to pack these sort of creams with powders as well. This is for special purposes. Now I see a lot people on social media just showcasing it like, ये देखो डार्क सर्कल कवर हो गया and it's so beautiful, मेरी पिगमेंटेशन कवर हो गई. But who's gonna tell what are the pros and cons of such heavy product? This can clog pores, this can cause acne, and this is not a product for everyone. So make sure you don't fall for gimmicks, and this is a very beautiful product but not for all sorts of skin. This is only and only for theater makeups, drama makeups, for high coverage uses. Okay, so ये आपका ना डेली कंसीलर है, ना फुल ग्लैम कंसीलर है, ना पार्टी मेकअप कंसीलर है, ना ब्राइडल कंसीलर है. इसे आप अंडर आइज पे लगाओगे तो आपकी अंडर आइज में ये बैठ जाएगा बिकॉज ऑफ द हेवी क्रीम. तो इसे आप सिर्फ स्पेशल पर्पसेस में लगाओगे. तो अगर स्पेशल पर्पसेस में लगाना है, हाउ डू वी यूज? वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इट लाइक apply a thin layer of it, then apply little bit of powder, or apply a thicker powder, for example a thicker compact on top of it. If you want to build it with your fingers, make the wax melt into the skin and then apply it. So make sure whatever you are seeing on social media, I feel very depressed when I see such things, because this is a product that you have spent money on. इसका क्या करोगे आप? Just cover your tattoos, that's it. So make sure you buy product as per your skin type and your need. Now this can be the best product for person who's looking for high coverage, right? So no makeup is bad makeup. This is not a bad product. It is just the need and the right situation in which you use a product. That's why I always say try to learn about products, try to learn about their ingredients. Sorry, I look like this. अगर product में wax है, mineral oils हैं, and a lot of thicker emollients are there, then it's definitely going to be a very heavy product. So make sure you read the ingredients, and if you don't have time, come here, comment below. Neha will buy that product for you and will review that product for you. अब मेरे को दुनिया जहान की information और knowledge तो नहीं है, but I try my best to come here and to give you that sort of information that is much needed. Now I have a limitation of buying products, otherwise इतनी limitation ना हो और मेरे followers ज़्यादा हो, तो I think I so wanna come here and talk about products. Now company ने ये निकाला है, it's not like company is bad or the product is bad. Again I would like to say that there are certain uses of a particular product. अब इसके बाद हम बात करेंगे two of the products which are so good that I fell in love with them. इन सारे concealers के बारे में I'm gonna put all of the information on screen, and if any information I forget to mention, everything will keep on appearing on your screen. Now we are going to be talking about PAC Spotlight Liquid Concealer. Now this is a concealer for professional use, as what they claim, full coverage concealer, and can be used by professional makeup artists. It has 17 concealing shades and 2 color correctors. Already tested it without makeup. This one dries down to matte finish. So you need to make your under eye prep game strong. Probably that's why they say it's for pro makeup use. But with Neha, you're gonna learn everything. बहुत coverage है इसमें. A little bit is a lot. With color corrector, I've built it nicely, little by little on this side. And this side, I've taken a lot of product all at once, so I didn't need it to build it. I can still see my pigmentation over here. This is a concealer which I can compare to Tarte actually. 30% less drying than Tarte. Amazing for humid weather, for oily skin, full glam makeup. This concealer can be my favorite party makeup concealer if I'm applying it in summers, and if in winters, if I can master the way I can hydrate my under eyes, this can be a perfect one for my vanity. Now you will have to apply a hydrating color corrector beneath, because too much matte can always settle into fine lines or give you a lot of appearance of fine lines because of the dryness. So don't go just blindly after a product. You still need hydration. For oily skin, it can be one of the best concealers. So yes, this is a beautiful product. You know what it can be close to? A little better than L'Oreal Infallible. Now let's talk about Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer. This is my favorite YouTuber's favorite concealer, and I had to try this. Impression करना था, ये निकल गया. Impression ही खराब हो गया यार. Company claims it has shea butter, hyaluronic acid. It's a full coverage concealer. Let's apply and let's see how much it covers. Spreads easily, covers almost fully. I'm gonna apply the color corrector on this side. So beautiful. Although it is a full coverage concealer, but I have to build it up to reach the full coverage over here. But with color corrector over here, the Simply Nam color corrector, it looks so beautiful. Satiny, dewy finish, hydrating. I don't know why whenever I apply it, I feel a little cooling feeling under the eye. I really like this concealer. This is the best concealer of this video. I love this one for all skin types. You will have to do a little bit of prepping and priming for your under eyes if you are applying this concealer, because it does dries down to the semi-matte finish. What a beautiful concealer for your everyday usage, for your party, glam makeup, cover your acne, your pigmentation, and if you're using a color corrector with it, very little bit, you can achieve wonders. This is a concealer with which you can do no foundation sort of routine, and it can still look better. In fact, you can get ready for parties as well. Now this one comes in 9 shades only in India, so I feel very deep skin can struggle to find their own shade, but this can be their highlighting or maybe after color correction sort of shade. I will give 4.5 out of 5 rating because there is always a scope of improvising. On that note, I hope you like this video and I shall see you in next one. Bye bye.